everyone, this is Sue from Sue's Paper Creations. I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada, and today I wanted to share with you a way that you can take crafting on the road with you. So whether you are going on a road trip, whether you are going over to a friend's, you're going to go and stay somewhere, have a ladies' night or a ladies' weekend retreat, you can take everything that you need with you to make 20 beautiful cards. So this is our Notes of Kindness card kit. And just to tell you the little background story of this, my daughter was playing in a ball tournament up in Port Alberni. And I wanted to be able to make a card for everyone who watches on my Facebook page for my Simple Saturday. So I grabbed this kit. I remembered, I bought this kit. I'm going to take it with me, and I am going to craft on the road. Like I've been telling everyone, craft on the road. So I opened it up. I set up my camera and everything in the hotel room. This is, I don't know, a month and a half or so ago. And I did a Facebook Live and made a card for you guys. I mean, I only had about 5 minutes before everyone was coming back and we had to head to the ball field, but I was able to create, I do believe it was this one that I made. So I just wanted to show you guys that you can do it anywhere you are, all right? So this card kit you can find in the annual catalog. This is it here. Again, the Notes of Kindness. So you get to make 20 cards, 4 of each design, and it includes everything. I'm going to show you guys when I open up the box, but it includes your pearls, an ink pad, stamps, a block, all these beautiful backgrounds, like all the card bases, envelopes, all the layers, and these already have adhesive on them for you guys, as well as these beautiful punch outs for you to stamp on and to layer up with. So these are a great deal. We have a few of them in the book. They start on page 7 of the annual catalog. Here's another one here. Soft Sayings card kit. I've done this one as well. And again, stamp set included. Inks, embellishments, everything, okay? Even Stampin' Dimensions. This one here is beautiful. And again, this one you get to do a little bit of coloring, some watercoloring with either we have new set of watercolor pencils. This would be perfect for this. Okay, and again, stamp set and everything. So you get to make 20 cards. There's this one even includes some little pencils as well as the block and everything. So they are a great deal. They're great for a gift. Whether you are a advanced stamper and just can't leave your stamp room without something to do, or if you're a newbie, these are perfect. So I'm going to open up the box here. I'll let you know everything that's in here. I have been making a few of them. I wanted to create some beautiful cards for some ladies that joined my team just the last couple weeks. And so on my lunch, and again, this just goes to show how quick these go together. On my lunch, I had about, let's see here, half an hour to eat my lunch, and I made 10 cards because I brought this with me, okay? So I created 10 of these, and I put on the saying. This isn't a saying that comes with it, but this was perfect for me because these ladies have just joined the fabulous team that I've got, and so it says, thanks for joining us. They're gonna have a lot of fun. And so I made 5 of these and then 5 of these thank yous. And again, it took me maybe less than 20 minutes, okay? So I have got all those ones done. I am going to create a different one for you out of this kit. There's the block that you get. You get a little ink spot. And here are just some of the pieces that are left that I haven't put on cards yet. See, look at these. They even have the beautiful stitching on them already. These are all adhesive backed, so you just have to peel and stick. We're going to use those. There's a few more of them. Here are the card bases I have got left. So again, a little watercolor wash. This set here had the beautiful leaves. Okay, these are all in the box, all this stuff. I've created these ones already, but all this stuff was in there. All these peels, all of these beautiful embellishments, layers here, and there's already beautiful watercolor lines on that one. This one had some leaves in the background, and then you do the overlay over top. This gorgeous copper twine, it's in here. Yep, it's all in the box. So I'm going to use one of these. So I'm going to put that aside. Came with a layer of Stampin' Dimensions, a sheet of them. So I've got extra, which is great. So this is the stamp set here. I love that. We're going to use this stamp and this stamp. Okay. Again, here are some that I've already done. So I'm just going to get out what I need to create this last little card for you so you guys can see. Here is the leftover of my twine. I mean, I'm still going to have a lot of extra twine after I'm done creating all these cards. And so therefore, I can use those for other things. Same with the pearls. I'm going to have a ton of these left over. This is the little layer, beautiful flower that I'm going to use on the card when I create it here. Ooh, I'm also going to show you guys new tool. I'm going to show you how you can put these on really easy with the new Take Your Pick tool. So I'm going to show you that. I love it. Okay, so we're going to use that. I'm going to need an envelope. Now, for you guys who are wanting a French version, don't even know what Danka. I'm trying to think what language that is. Dutch, maybe? You guys are going to laugh at me. But you get all 3 languages. So afterwards, I mean, if you have friends that are French or want Danka on there instead of thank you, you can use all these afterwards. Okay, so there's all those extra ones left over. All right, let's get started. So I'm going to take my twine out. I'm going to bring in my Stampin' Mat, and I'm going to show you how quick and easy this goes together. So again, I made these little cards. I'm going to send them in the mail. These, thank you for joining my team. I made those for a group of ladies that just signed up. You can still sign up. You can sign up anytime, and it is an awesome deal. The bonus with right now is the fact that the Christmas catalog, I'm going to show it to you. Look at that. Beautiful. For just the general public, you guys get access to this catalog to start ordering as of September the, I want to say 5th. Yeah, September the 5th. Now, if you sign up with a starter kit, what you can do is you can put any of these items on. I keep on forgetting, I'm not even allowed to show you the inside pages, but you can order your $165 worth of products. You get that for $135, no shipping, taxes, okay, and here in Canada. And you get to, if you want, you can pick from any catalog, but you could pick from this stuff and get your Christmas stuff a month before anybody else gets a chance to even order. So that's just like an added bonus right now for if you sign up. So I will add that link in my video below for those that are interested. We have a great group of ladies in my team, and we have a lot of fun creating, whether it's through Zoom or in person. If you happen to be in Victoria, then you can join us here, okay? All right, so for this card, we are going to bring in this beautiful watercolor background, and I'm gonna start layering it up with some of these beautiful stick adhesives here, okay? Now, I need to get out my little directions here so that I can read them as I go. So here is the back. It gives you kind of a rundown of everything you're going to need, okay? And I'm going to have a look at that as I go. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add a couple of these strips of DSP on here. And these are awesome because, like I was saying, guess what? They're already have sticky on them. It's like putting stickers, oh, got a hiccup there for a second, stickers on a page. So there you go. That was quick, hey? Now I'm going to do a little bit of stamping. I am going to bring in my stamp set here, and I'm going to need these little adorable little X's and this beautiful thanks. So these cards I'm going to use to mail out to customers, anyone that receives or does an order through my online store, and this is my current host code. So when you place an order, I'm just going to stamp this in the background a bit, you are not only, if it's over $50, you are going to get a free little gift from me, but any order, I am going to give you a nice little thank you card just for joining in on my online store and supporting what I love to do every day. I'm very thankful. So I will be sending you a little thank you card. Who knows, maybe it'll be one of these ones. But if you happen to be over $50, that's when you get a little free gift from me, and you get your name into my In It to Win It draw, which I draw once my little In It to Win It board fills up, I do a little draw and I give away some really good gifts, like full ink pad sets, and I've given away Big Shots, even just gift cards for like $75 worth of whatever you want to order. So that's how you get into that draw. Okay. Now I'm going to stamp my thanks on here, and the nice thing is because these little cutouts already have the stitching all around the edges, it just makes for that added little touch and beautiful image. Love that. So I'm going to pop that onto my card here. Now that didn't turn out actually as dark as I wanted, but you know what? I kind of like that. I think I need to add a little more ink to my ink pad, so I'll have to do that later on today. Now I'm going to layer these up. That kind of actually gives it a kind of a rustic look when it's almost looks like wood grain or something. A little distressed, which I do love to distress things, that's for sure. Okay, so that is going to go on there. Now I'm going to bring in one of these beautiful flowers, and I am going to add some dimension to that. And you can see how quick and easy this card is coming together. Just going to add a few little dimensions, pop it right here. So you can still see those little crosses. Isn't that cute? Now our finishing touch. I'm going to take my twine here, and I'm going to do a couple little bunny ears. This is the easiest way I find to make a little twine bow. Do a couple little bunny ears and tie them together. It's just like when you learn to tie your shoes, just like that. Then just kind of play with it a bit. Voila. Now I'm going to snip that off, and I'm going to actually use a glue dot for that. I find that kind of the easiest way. I kind of roll up, especially for twine because it is so fine. I roll up the glue dot with my finger just like that, and then I add it to the back of the knotted area just like that, and place it down. Voila. Now I wanted to show you guys how you can add embellishments really easy with our new tool. So take your pick is what it's called. This is awesome. I'm just going to say that right off the bat. It is awesome. So in your little kit, and this is $13.50. These are going to be priced at $13.50. It is a wicked deal for all the things that it can do. Okay, look, I even got Stampin' Dimension dots. Those things are everywhere in my house. So on the one end, you have got this little end. In here is some putty, okay, and you just express a little bit through the end, and it is a nice little tacky tip so that you can pick up your sequins. Okay, really easy. You just pick them up and then drop them on your page. So that's going to be for picking up your sequins or rhinestones that don't have any adhesive backing to them. That's what you're going to use. Okay, now with this tool you are going to get a refill in, where did I put the rest of the package? Oh, right in front of me. You get one refill in the little putty. Okay, so it's going to last you a really long time, because if you are really good at putting your lid back on here, this is going to stay tacky for a really long time. Okay, now this end, this is where I am going to use my little spatula. So again, there's multiple ends here, and I'm going to show you the rest. I'm going to use my little spatula, and I'm going to get out my pearls, and this is fabulous for just picking it up like so and popping them down where you might want them. So I'm just going to add a couple to this little creation because I have got lots of these extra pearls. Maybe I'll put one over here. Okay, I'll do one more because I like to work in threes. And I'll put one down here. Okay, so that's going to lift and put down all your adhesive back rhinestones, pearls, any embellishments that you have like that. It's going to be awesome. Okay, now You want to know what else it can do? Well, this is where the name comes, take your pick, because you can unscrew this and you can turn it around. And next thing you know, you have got a piercing tool, okay? Then you say, can it do more? Well, guess what? It can. So next you have this little extra piece here where you can take this one out and you can pop this in, and you have got a stylus that is thick, or actually that's the thin one, or a thicker stylus. Now this stylus here, I gotta make sure I'm in the camera. This stylus here is gonna be awesome. I am going to be stamping some snowman in vellum coming up. And I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to burnish the backs of the vellum to make it a nice kind of snowy white color. Okay, so I'm going to show you that little trick once I get, oh, I told you, there is a fabulous new snowman set in our holiday catalog. So I'm going to be getting that in the next couple days. You just might see one of those happy little snowman. Okay, and I'll show you that trick. But this is 4 different ends on this side and a putty on the other. So this is why you get to take your pick, because you get to use all these tools in one gadget. Okay, so again, this will be available to you on September the 5th. Unless, of course, you are signing up or already a demonstrator, then you guys have probably ordered yours already and it's going to be in your hands very quickly. Okay, so that is an option if you want to get a hold of this stuff early. Okay. All right, so there is my finished card, and I think this is just beautiful. I love the look. I love the color combination that they did. That didn't take me very long. So if I was doing these assembly line wise, I would stamp all my sayings at the same time, stamp all of my backgrounds, and then just assemble them all. And that's how I could do 10 cards in literally like 15-20 minutes at work on my lunch hour. So that is just a quick tip. So don't forget about the kits in the book. And I would like to add that in this catalog that I can't show you the pages yet, there is a kit for 30 gorgeous tags that come in a tin with everything that you need, and another set that comes with everything I do believe to make. I'd have to double check, but I'm guessing it would be 20 cards. So those will be coming available. I'm just checking. Let's see. I'm reading it, but I can't show you. Yes, 20 cards. So there will be a kit coming that you can make 20 Christmas cards really quick and easy too. Okay? So remember those kits. Keep them in mind for your travels. They're great. They're all contained in a box. You can take them wherever you want. Don't take up too much space in your suitcase. But when you have some downtime and want something to do, guess what? You can do some crafting, okay? So that's what I've got to share with you today. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Any of the items that you have seen, again, you can order through my online store. I'll put the link below, as well as my Join Up link if you want to join in and get some items early and have a continued discount for your stamping products. Okay, this is the current host code if you want to get a free gift from me. Remember to use that one, and I will see you guys next time creating something different. So if you don't want to miss any, remember to subscribe, and then you can watch all my videos past and future. Okay, thanks for stopping by. See you next time.